Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing 10 small business ideas you can start with little to no money. We're talking about side hustles you can start this week, and that can become your full-time job. Forget the excuses. You don't need a fancy business degree or thousands of rupees to get started, so if you're ready to be your own boss, let's get started. First up, we have freelancing, the perfect side hustle for digitally inclined individuals. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need your skills. Start by creating a stellar profile that highlights your expertise and experience. Remember, every freelancing giant started with a single gig, so what are you waiting for? Go get it. Ever dreamt of running an online store without any inventory? That's the beauty of dropshipping. When someone orders from your store, your supplier takes care of the packaging and shipping. Your job? Market it well and provide excellent customer service. Every business wants to dominate social media, but not everyone has the time or skills. If you're a whiz at creating engaging content and building a loyal following, social media management is your calling. Help businesses grow their online presence and create captivating content. Trust me, businesses are willing to pay good money for results. Are you a math whiz, a language enthusiast, or a coding guru? Why not share your knowledge and earn some money through online tutoring? You set your own rates, create your own schedule, and teach from the comfort of your home. Calling all creative folks. If you love designing eye-catching graphics and unique artwork, print on demand is your ticket to business success. Platforms like Printful and Teespring let you sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding any inventory. Just upload your designs, create your products, and start selling. It's a low-cost, high-profit business model that lets your creativity shine. Are you an animal lover who enjoys spending time with furry friends? Turn your passion into profit with pet services. Apps like Rover connect you with pet parents in your area, making it easier than ever to find clients. It's a rewarding way to earn extra income while spending time with adorable animals. Don't underestimate the earning potential of cleaning services. It's a business that's always in demand. Start by offering residential cleaning services to friends and family, and gradually expand to offices or rental properties. Word of mouth is your best friend in this industry, so focus on providing exceptional service. Do you thrive on organization and have a knack for planning unforgettable events? Then event planning might be your calling. Start with smaller events and gradually work your way up to larger, more complex ones. Imagine creating a product once and selling it over and over again. That's the beauty of digital products. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to sell your digital creations to a global audience. It's a great way to generate passive income and share your expertise with the world. In the age of social media, content is king. Share your knowledge and personality with the world through content creation. Start a YouTube channel, launch a podcast, or build a following on TikTok. The possibilities are endless. These are 10 small business ideas that can help you take control of your finances and create the life you want. Choose an idea that excites you, start small, and scale it as you grow. Leave a comment below and let me know what you plan to start. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos packed with more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on building your dream life.